In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch live games and chat as a spectator. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to join a match as a viewer without missing a moment. First, open the app or website and head to the main menu. You're looking for the watch icon, the one that looks like a small TV or a pair of binoculars. On mobile, you'll find it along the bottom bar. On a computer, it's usually on the left side of the screen in the main navigation. Go ahead and click or tap that icon to enter the Watch tab. If you don't see it right away, give the app a quick refresh and make sure you're on the latest version, as layouts can vary slightly across devices. Once you're inside the Watch tab, you'll see different sections designed to help you find active games quickly. The Playing Now section shows live matches happening at this very moment, so it's perfect when you want to jump straight into the action. Top Players is where you'll find high skill or featured matches, great for learning strategies or seeing the game played at a high level. Friends highlights people you know, follow, or are connected with, making it easy to support their games and join in the fun. Take a moment to browse these sections. The thumbnail previews and labels make it easy to spot a match that interests you. When you've found a game you want to watch, simply tap or click it. You'll immediately join as a spectator. The game view will load and you'll be positioned as a viewer without affecting the match. If chat is available for that game, you'll see a chat panel or box where you can follow the conversation and type your own messages. Keep it friendly and respectful. Many communities rely on positive chat to keep the viewing experience enjoyable for everyone. If chat feels busy, you can just ignore it and focus on the gameplay. You're not required to participate to enjoy the match. From here, relax and watch the action unfold. You can stay for the entire game or back out whenever you're ready. When you leave, you'll return to the Watch tab, where you can immediately explore other live matches using the same approach. That's it. Open the Watch tab, scan Playing Now, Top Players, or Friends to find who's active, and tap any game to watch and chat. Try it on mobile or desktop. The flow is the same, and you'll be spectating in seconds.